Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing well today. So today we are actually going to get started on our next Christmas journal, and this is the fabric paper journal that we had made using Gail Augustinelli's tutorial over on her channel. So for those of you who have not saw it, this is the cover that we had made. There we go. I think it turned out cute. Not exactly, you know, how I wanted it to, but I still like it. And this is the inside, and I did go ahead and put a pocket on the front and back cover. And if you guys can see that, I did sew around it as well. So it has been sewed around with some green thread. As you guys know, I told you I was out of the red, so I did find some green, and it was the perfect color of green, so I just used that. So these are our pages. I have not sewed in the signature yet, but these are the pages, and this is Rachel at Roxycreations Christmas kit. I did print this out on Epson presentation paper so that you guys can see how vibrant it is. That is why, because that's the paper that I printed it out on. And so I will just quickly flip through the pages that I have picked out. I have did some decorative punches on some of the sides, and I have punched out a few snowflake punches as well. So this is a page from the kit. I absolutely love this kit. Okay, so this right here, guys, is one of the over the page tucks that we had made, and I did again use that green thread and did a zigzag stitch. And so instead of gluing it down, I sewed it down. So there we have that, and we have I believe this one is antique. Nope, vintage, my bad, sorry about that. Antique small music sheet, and then another punch there, and this right here is the plum olive dyed papers from 9 of Crohn's on Etsy. And then this is another page from her kit. And then this is my Rit dyed, and I did a decorative punch there. And this is one of those, what was this one, stock purchasing receipts. And then just some pink paper. And then here we have that lavender paper that I had gotten at an estate sale. And then we have some ledger. This right here is Denise at Wonderbar Crafts avocado dyed paper. Beautiful. Gosh, I love how this printed out on the Epson presentation paper, guys. It is so pretty. And if I don't forget before I end this video, we will check this website where I got this presentation paper, because I think it's anywhere from $11 to maybe $15 on Amazon. However, I bought this from a photo shop company in New York for like $4.99 for a pack. So yeah, I got the double-sided and the single-sided. Here is another over the page tuck, and again I did go ahead and sew that on there. This is Denise at Wonderbar Crafts avocado dyed dolly. And then this is just some of my tea dyed. Another page from the kit. So pretty. And then this is some coffee dyed. Vintage ledger. My tea dyed. And again, I punched out a snowflake in the corner. Coffee dyed. Another page. Vintage ledger paper. Coffee dyed. This right here, this music sheet is actually avocado dyed, and it is also from Denise at Wonderbar Crafts. Another page from the kit. Some more Rit dyed. And this will be, this is that straw paper. And it was, again, from Rachel at Roxycreation. This will be, I was going to say, a wooden signature journal, guys. And then this is the middle of the signature. And then on the, you know, the other side, we just got the other sides of it. So we have those over the page tucks there that we made, and then the other side of that envelope flap that you saw, again got some punch over here the same as the other. Over the page tuck again is sewed. Look at that, guys. Wow, amazing. Love her kits. You guys know I'm crazy about Rachel, her kits anyway. Okay, so that's where we are so far with this. So I will also let you guys know. Okay, so I did go through and pick out some things for, and I have it in order, so that's what all the pink sticky notes are, because I didn't want to have it in there when I sewed in the signature. But you know, we have some pockets, but when I was going through this, we had more journaling cards and not enough pockets. I still need one more belly band. So yeah, I saw that, you know, I probably needed, not that doesn't have anything to do with it. Needed some more pockets. Also needed another belly band, and then I thought we would make some actual tags because we have a lot of journaling cards and no tags. So I thought that's where we would work on today after I showed you guys where we were so far. And those of you who have been with me for a while know that as far as the cover, I do not do the cover on camera. I save the cover till last, and it is revealed in the flip through. So all of my new subscribers, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And that is one thing that is unique to my channel, is I will not ever work on the front cover on camera. That will always be a surprise for you guys during the flip through. So I thought what we would do, guys, would just take some book page and just do some collaging. So I've got a little bit of antique book page, a couple of printables, some music sheets, printables from Rachel's kit, and different things like that to do some collaging with. So I thought we would just chat and start out with that. So we will go ahead and get us 2 sheets and get started. I think I'm going to turn it over this way, maybe easier. And I'm probably going to do larger sheets as opposed to smaller sheets. So let's just go ahead and start out with this, and we'll get some of this like down the spine. Might be a good start. What do you guys think? So yeah, I hope you're all doing well today. As you know, we are back from vacation. It is Sunday when I'm filming. I think this will post just a tad at the bottom. I think this will post on, let's see, where am I at? Wednesday. But yeah, I am filming on Sunday. So it's back to work for him and I tomorrow. And I have to say, neither one of us is too excited about that. But, you know, I do miss my guys. I've been texting with them today. They, I'm sure, came up with a different group text while I was gone, because I pretty much saw nothing. So I did send them a text and let them know I'm pretty much back in commission, I guess. Okay, let's see, I moved that a little bit. And these book pages that I'm using are vintage, and if I'm not mistaken, I just looked and they were like 1949, I believe, which is the year my mom was born. So yeah, we have some vintage book page here. But yeah, guys, we had a wonderful time on vacation. Very relaxing. Oops, look, I'm sticking to the glue book. But yeah, we had a really good time. I am going to check out, I had watched a video on YouTube where they were showing people different things about YouTube, you know, to all of us still newbies who don't know a whole lot about a whole lot. That would be me. I'm just winging it, guys. of different things. And I think I'm going to take a little bit of that off. I believe I've told you guys I have an issue with my Epson printer and my... Well, that just didn't turn out like I was thinking it would. That's okay. We'll find something else to go there. How about we just go ahead and cut this down and be done with it. My Epson printer is not compatible with my Chromebook. So I am actually not able to, you know, scan in things and put them in my shop in digital form. But someone had said that they actually, excuse me, downloaded an app where they could do that. So I am going to check into that. I have to admit, we got back